Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
National President ng National People's Party Konrad Kongkel Sangma agalay tarik ubnay no pra arajar arpuar ulap diang sngobha ya ulampang barim gayeng dorbar thawan U80 Mondal bat yikinong kershan jong ha office traikam kaseng hanong ba shlong habakren hagani kasngi U80 Mondal ulayatho ba uwan ban penyaso bat ka NPP namar uyai ya kerkom traikam jong menteri rangba beminta kalong kebabiang bha bat kam don kanu kuno ka jing bam ya sngoto jingmut hagani kaseng ulayatho ru bagi pat ba nong kershan jong kidang don ha jing ya kendo lang ha Phulbari kat ba bat kinongelam kaseng ki wan ban penyaso sya ka NPP Nagaliang National President ke NPP Konrad Kongkel Sangma haba keren nagini kasngi ulaong kajingwan penyaso jong lampang barim sya kaseng kan long kajing kerku ka bakrao kamtam kitan ba syong kle kipat ba ulapan benaru ba U80 Mondal unlong ukertong na Phulbari constituency hagani ke election kabanwan Konrad ula kenturu ya baro kinongelam kaseng NPP Phulbari badru ya kinongelam kibawan baru U80 Mondal banya trelang banyo ya uso jang kajingjap
Dialog tentang mansa Phulbari constituency ni public technology ni true Facebook ni true taalo ya programo Shillong dong jalba nasima sa kantian ya program ko namat ninga anga tentang mansa ya chul ko Sri U80 Mondal arubini plug worker rang arubini plug supporter angko National People's Party na ang sakswa nasima sa kantigon gisakap tong gambagsi ang party na ba NPP ni noktango na आगा वेलकम का फेसबुक में आप लोग ये प्रोग्राम लाइव देख रहे हैं मुझे खुशी है कि आज आप सब लोग टेक्नोलॉजी के थ्रू हमारे इस प्रोग्राम में शिलोंग के प्रोग्राम में आप लोग भी भाग ले पा रहे हैं मैं आप सबको ये कहना चाहता हूं कि ये दिन हम सबके लिए एक बहुत ही इम्पोर्टेंट दिन है एक खुशी का दिन है और हमारे नेशनल पीपल्स पार्टी के परिवार की तरफ से मैं आप सबको हमारे एनपीपी के परिवार में आप सबका मैं स्वागत करता हूं मुझे पूरी उम्मीद है कि अगर हम सब एक साथ काम करेंगे कमिटेडली और हम लोगों को आगे रखकर हम अगर काम करेंगे तो मुझे पूरा विश्वास है कि फुलबारी एरिया ही नहीं लेकिन प्लेन बेल्ट एरिया के अलग अलग कॉन्स्टिट्यूंसीज में एनपीपी जरूर सारे सीटें उस एरिया में जीतेगी and great honor today to welcome Sri U80 Mondal and his leaders and all his supporters to the family of the National People's Party. Sri U80 Mondal is not somebody new in politics. He is a very, very well-known figure throughout the state and even a much well-known figure in Garo Hills and especially in the Plain Belt region of Garo Hills. He is a person who has shared a relationship with our late leader, Shri B. Sangma ji, and they had all worked together then in the Congress party. And therefore, it is even more of a moment of great happiness of having the opportunity to work with such an experienced, such a capable, and most importantly, such a humble leader. U80 Mondal, no matter what position he holds, he doesn't change as a human being. Even when he held the highest post of a speaker, it was the same smile that he had. It was the same generosity with which he used to always welcome everybody and try and help all peoples in all levels in different walks of life. I even have people telling me that in different positions that he has held, whether as a speaker or whether as a minister, he has been one of the most efficient people to have held those posts. And this is not me saying it. These are people who have worked under him, who talk about how nicely and professionally he used to handle the departments and different positions that he used to have. And hence it gives me a lot of happiness today to have somebody like Mr. U80 Mondal and his entire team to join the family of the National People's Party. National People's Party. But at the same time, while he joins the party, I would like to also declare as the National President of the National People's Party that Sri U80 Mondal will be the candidate of the National People's Party in the coming 2023 elections for the Phulbari constituency. Let there be no doubt about this. And I would want all our leaders of the National People's Party and all the leaders who are now joining and coming along with Sri U80 Mondal that we need to work together as a team. We need to ensure that we come out victorious in this election in 2023 in Phulbari constituency. Always treated everybody equally. He has never differentiated between different communities and different religious groups. For him, all are the same. And he has ensured that he would take care of everybody in the past, and I'm sure that even in the coming days and years, he will always take all communities, all religious sects, all religious groups together and move forward. And I'm sure that that will be the way that he will function in the future also. At the same time, I would like to also say that with the coming in of Sri A.T. Mondal, the impact in the entire plain belt area will be felt. It is not just the Phulbari constituency, but constituencies adjacent to Phulbari. And wherever we have significant Muslim populations and other tribes and other groups and other religious groups, I'm sure that with the entry of Sri A.T. Mondal, the confidence level of these different groups in different parts of the state will definitely go up, and the impact will be felt throughout the plain belt, throughout Garo Hills, and throughout the state. Today onwards, we will start working hard to ensure that we start organizing the party in preparation of the 2023 elections. Within this month, in sometime in the second week or third week of December, I will be going to Phulbari to have an official program where we will have a large public meeting. The dates will be fixed after consulting with our candidate and with our candidate Sri A.T. Mondalji, so that we can organize the program in a big way. But it will be post the 15th, 16th, 17th, and one of the dates we will be having a big conference in Phulbari to organize the party. And this is more for the information of all our leaders of the party who are watching this program live on Facebook. I would like to request you all to start working on from today itself to start organizing the party for the future.
Only I will take a final call. And later on also when you inquired, I told that first week of December, mostly I will reveal where I am going. And today it is revealed in front of every one of you. I would like to thank the NPP under the leadership of Mr. Conrad Sharma. That thank you very much that you have given us an opportunity to work with you in future, that we will work together hand in hand and try to get as much support as possible in the region where I belong, and also other region wherever it is required my services are. Now many will ask that why I have finally chosen NPP. The best thing is that what I was thinking, considering my personal experience in politics from 1998, stability is the major factor for the overall development for the state. And in that place, I have seen in 1998, in 5 years, almost 5 governments were installed. So any government changes in between, there is change in the programs and policies, and ultimately who gets this, whose benefit gets disrupted? It is the people of the state. Subsequent years also I have seen that even from the same dispensation, from the same political party, if the government is headed by their own MLA, but still there was change of guard, it could not continue more than 2-3 years, something like that we have seen when I was in Congress also. My constituency also, I am happy that the entire bloc of Congress, all of them have migrated directly towards NPP. So we are keeping a very good relationship. Some friends have come. Just the day before yesterday I talked with them. They were working with one independent candidate. I told them that why you join us? Why you join Conrad Sharma? You joining A.T. Mondal doesn't mean that you are joining A.T. Mondal. You are joining Conrad Sharma. So they were in doubt whether ultimately I will get the ticket or not. So they were just keeping guessing also, because at the same time my mouth was also locked, because I cannot say unless I am issued or the word comes from the boss's mouth, I cannot tell myself or declare myself candidate also. So people were a little bit doubtful also, that somebody is taking that he will talking that he is not getting ticket. You are telling that yours is not yet confirmed. Then what is happening here? So somehow or other we were there. So I asked them that you join us. Day after tomorrow we are joining. So please come and travel with me. So I thought that if travel with me, they will work with me. If they don't travel, so they will not work. Ultimately, they traveled with me. I thank all of them. Thank you very much. We can talk in future. The cohesiveness among the leaders, the teamwork, where every minister, MLAs, all were working together. Of course, today at the fag end of the term, maybe many will not be happy that this situation has come. Some may leave, some may go. It is something like we see the club football season starts and player changes the side. It happens in every states. It is a new trend happening. Other things is that the localized development, in the sense, especially the poor people of the state, in the name of focus, yes plus, these programs, it may not be resonate in the capital because we don't know the problems through which the farmers are going through. In our area, very soon the irri cultivation will come, and people will have to sow their rice for seedlings. And in that place, everybody is empty-handed because not much businesses are around. So people will be asking for money. And this Focus Plus is directly helping the beneficiaries. And all other programs like distributing the piglets and all these things, people are so happy. And many people, they came voluntarily and asked me that why not you also side with NPP. But then it is not an easy task. I told them, it is not a tea stall. I will order for Shingara, then when Shingara comes, that no, I don't require Shingara, give me the kochuri, so kochuri will come. Because the party, when we decide, will have to commit also, and we'll have to work it also. It is not that every day we will go here. When I enter in this campus, I saw many known faces. In one place or other place, we work together. And I feel that in future also, we will work together. And this working together is not for ourselves. This working together is for the benefit of the most downtrodden and most needy people of our state.